All right, well, somebody laid an egg. Welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead. This is actually, am I looking at that right? Holy smokes, why am I doing this with my left hand, idiot? Okay, so, first time we've let these guys out since I put them over here. They're going in the greenhouse, as you see, for the winter. And so I put the small fencing on the bottom. I already had a duck get out right there, squeezed under the fence, so I put an old flitch right there that I was going to chop up for firewood. But everybody, and then I had a chicken get out at the back. That was short-lived for her. She got out, walked around, jumped in the back of the side-by-side, and I grabbed her and put her back in. But yeah, so I gotta get that egg. But pretty calm. I still have some roosters in here I need to get rid of. So the pigs are due to become freezer meat here real soon, so I have more chicken than I know what to do with. So the roosters, I don't know if I should say this on video, but the roosters have just been turned into bacon. I mean, I think I had 10 of them that hatched out this year. So, and honestly, you know, not that big a deal. I have freezers full of chicken. And in here, I have their waters hanging. I captured a bunch of ducks last night, which was awesome. And then, let's see here. I can come in here. Let me show you. Let me stoop under this thing. So this is my nesting boxes I just built. Probably need to put something, like in the front of this yet. I don't know yet if I'm going to mess with that or not, but got to get some hay and put in there or something, wood chips. And then we have a composter sitting over there that maybe the ducks will go into. I don't know. Lay their eggs. So I'll bring up some hay for that. But yeah. So I'm surprised that they're sitting in here because it's hot in here. Like, you need a long sleeve shirt outside, but you need shorts and a t-shirt in here. But everybody seems to be pretty chill now. There's a little more room. And then I have several truckloads of wood shavings from the tree company I'm going to bring in here and just cover this thing. So, all right, well, I'm going to move on to the next thing. Okay, check this out. That little alpine right there, where's it at? Oh man, I can't see, the sun's right there. She's laying there with her head resting on, chewing her cud with her head on, literally on the log. Talk about lazy. Chewing your cud must be some rough work. That alpine does not have a name. That's one of our females. Hey, Lucky! Lucky! Oh, that's not Lucky. Shoot, that's freezer beef, right, or freezer goat right there walking. Okay. On to the next. This leave's good. Time to feed the goats. Some of them anyways. Eating those things like potato chips. Easy, Charlie. Easy. Come on, turd. Come on. Hey, out of the way. All good? How's it going, April? Hi, Lucky. How's the girl doing, huh? Aw. How's the girl doing? Alright, hop back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hay feeder's really working nice, for sure. definitely cooling off, huh? Come on, girl, get back. Come on. Come on, move. Come on. Come on. Not helping but blocking me. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Feel good? Huh? Does that feel good? Delilah's letting me scratch her with the pitchfork. Here, I'll take this little bit inside for you. Alright. What are you doing there, Sir Gobbles a lot? Turkey! He wants in there, but he doesn't like to stay in there. It's almost dark. Up. Whoa, where's it at? Oh yeah, there it is. Wife's got the fire going. Okay, well it's almost dark. And I captured with the fish net, captured 2 chickens and another Muscovy. So the Muscovy got its wings clipped, or wing clipped. So I still have about, well, there's a chicken right down there, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's like 10 more ducks, but we've decided that we don't need to keep them over the winter. So we're not going to do them whole. So I'm just going, I mean, these guys have been basically wild ever since they were born. You know, they don't have a place to go. They just hang out here with the goats all day. You can't even get close to them. So I believe they're going to be Ruger 1022'd, and then we're just going to cut the breast and the legs off of them and be done. And put them, either can them or freeze them. But all right, well, I got to get these guys in. They're girls, and then I don't know, maybe try to put these other idiots in and be done for the evening before it gets completely dark. So thanks for watching, and give us a like and a subscribe. Really appreciate it. We're over 500 subscribers now. I know that's a piddly amount, but it's pretty cool to do that. So it's a lot of work. So, all right. Well, thanks for coming along. Catch you on the next one. Bye.